So what happens? These are the gauges. So what happens when you get close to E? You get nervous when you're driving? What happens?
Looking for a filling station.
Start looking, right? You start looking around. You start saying, okay, who's the cheapest gas in town, right? So that's a gauge. Are your customers familiar with those gauges?
Hope
Are your
so.
team familiar with those gauges? Yeah. So now what happens? I don't know if you have the car that does it, but when you get to towards the end of the wheel, what does it say on your odometer, or what does it say on your screen?
Reserve.
Low fuel.
Yeah, danger, danger. You're about to run out of gas, Dodo. You got to buy some gas, right? Good reminder. Some cars can go a long way on that sign, can't they? But that happens to me. I get pretty darn nervous. So I'm gauging my eyes and I'm looking for some place to buy gas. Now, these are the gauges that we talk about: level 1, level 2, and level 3. Now, we already talked about how you would define leadership. But let's take you down the pathway of gauging your leadership level. And you know what? It doesn't matter if you're level 1, 2, 3, or 4. Because all of these are interchangeable, aren't they? So if you think about it, if you're a level 1 leader, are you working in the business every day, writing up customers, fixing cars, ordering parts, selling jobs? You are a staff member of your business. You've created yourself what?
Job.
A job.
Job. Okay. If you think about it, is your doctor a level 1 leader?
Yep.
Is your dentist a level 1 leader?
Yep.
They're technicians.
They're technicians, but technically, we as business owners, if we're in the fray of doing it, we're sitting in level 1, right? We're tactical. All right. And we're building a practice instead of a business, because it depends on you. Make sense? Hey, you will get caught in the vortex of the daily operations. And if you love being level 1 leader, great. I love being level 1. I do that every day. When I'm on this call with you, what level am I? I'm level 1. And Brian's on level 1. We're doing one-on-ones and we're presenting our programs. We are sitting here at level 1. Does that mean we're bad leaders?
No.
That's part of what we like to do. I mean, I like the hands-on. I like the conversations. I like the one-on-ones. I like every aspect of touching base with shop owners. That's what I love to do. So I built a business around me doing that, right? I think Brian is the same way. He likes that one-on-one action and loves to help people to that degree, because that's where he fits. So if this is where you want to be great, you're level 1.